So far so good. We are done with the icons. So for those of you who don't know from where I can take those icons easily, so basically if you remember, we have all those icon in these components, right? So everything is over here in the component, so we can easily drag and drop. Like once we search for example, this is the name of this icon, so this is CPU setting. Okay, so for example, if I select this one and I will copy it, and for example if I paste it over here, now if I want to select for CPU, so you can see where is CPU setting, we can easily replace this one over here. So all you need to do, everything should be in component, so the instance should be easily swapped, okay, and it could be replaced, right? So this is the way, and it's easier for you. If whatever is way is easier for you, you can do it on your side. All right, so we have the second section is also created. Now let's go ahead with the third section, and for the third section we have the image, we have then text and the button, right? So I'm thinking for the third section I will do something like this. All right, so I will just paste it over here. Perfect. I will get rid of this, take this image to the right. Perfect. Now why choose? All right, so copy this, paste over here, copy this text. All right, paste it over here and remove the stars from here. All right, and then again we need another text here, so copy this, paste it here. All right, and lastly we need this paragraph, so let's copy it and paste it here. And for this, for the text, I will just place this property, right? So I think this is now perfect. And for the spacing between all of those, so I will just select all, and maybe 12 pixel would be the perfect sizing in between. Okay, and let's fix the errors as well. So I will just fix all the errors. This should be also all right. Now let's do it for this one, for this one. Okay, let's do the same for this one. This is already what we have here. So you really need to, you know, like take care of those small details, okay, those small adjustments. So for this one I will now needed to select all of those, and it should be, let's try, we have, these are already hugged, so let me select why this one, it should be fill hug. All right, so hug content, and now let's select, and this should be hug content as well, but let's do this like that. All right, I think we have more content. Like you can see over here, this is text, so this text is inside, then we have another text here. So let me just ungroup this. Now everything will be the same. Okay, so if I make this to all the way to over here, this is automatically increasing. Okay, so let's select all of those and need it to fill container. Wonderful, so far so good. We have the image here, and let's make sure this this should be auto. All right, I will take the image like that much and give this color, this image. All right, so for this one, instead of crop, even you can see over here, maybe it's not, you are not able to see this perfectly, but this image is stretched out. All right, so we really need to be perfect, pixel perfect again. Okay, so just make sure you take care of those small detail, and I will fill this. Okay, so I think so far so good here. Let me select this, and I will give it 24 pixel roundness. Boom, we created this section, and for the title I will do it like this. All right, and since we already have start your CS2 server now, so we need to add this button here as well. So I will just copy this button to here. All right, so start. Yeah, this should be start. Okay, so yeah, I think the size should be not more than 48, so 48 size would be perfect. And I think yeah, let's see if we have some other section. We can do this section like this one. So maybe we take the idea from here. I will make it like that. Okay, so for the fill I will make it our primary color. All right, for the rest of the section, the white should be black, this brown color should be black. All right, this color should be white, this needed to be white. Okay, this needed to be white, this needed to be, let's see if white works or not. We will, yes. All right, so I think this is perfect. This is perfect. And if you remember, we placed a, I think this is fine. Okay, so why choose the games host bro? I think this is perfect. We added the content to it, and it for me it does work fine. Okay, and if you want, we can add this line into it. I will add this line here. Okay, give it auto layout, and now let's make it vertical, horizontal, and this, let's select this one, and with the help of arrow let's fix this. Okay, got it, perfect. This section is done. Now let's do this one, and if you remember, we already have this section over here, so I will just copy and paste this section. Okay, so nothing fancy. I will just copy the text from here, paste it here. All right, copy the text from here, paste it here, and then the last line I will just copy the text and paste it here. Okay, so yeah, it was definitely an easy one, easy to navigate. All right, this is fine. And this we need 3 over here, so I will just remove these 2. Okay, and it should be, let's make it top align, and maybe we can decrease the size of it. All right, and now let's do one by one. So easy to use, and this one should be also over here, and this one should be also here. Yeah, and for the text, like for this text, I will copy this text and paste it over here. Even we can also do it like this, like for this one we show the text, and for the remaining we don't show the text, just title will work. But yeah, let's see. All right, this one should be file container. Okay, all right, and yes, this is fine. For the remaining, we can definitely take the text from there. So yeah, this is just a screenshot. We can replace this as well, but for now I think this place is fine. We can for now we can play with that. Okay, so I think this is fine. All right, so this section is also created. I will just include that here. And now for this section we need to do this one. So this is for the Counter-Strike. So I think this text we already have this, so just cut it from here and I will select, paste it here. Okay, so now it's time to start your server. Copy, paste this, copy as a text and paste it over here. Okay, again we need to play with the details. Boom, this should be all the way to over here. I think this is fine. Start your game server. Okay, and start yours should be also in next line. So it's time to start your server game, and there we have it. Okay, now for the button I will take this button. Okay, so copy this and place it here. Delete this button. So yeah, and even we can decrease the size a little bit so we don't have a lot of size over here, and even for this one we will also decrease the size. So we need a clear CTA which will be really helpful for us. Okay, and for this image image is already the same as this one, so I think this one is fine, but we will include the logo here. Okay, so for the logo I will remove this from the component, so from the auto layout, so exclude it from the auto layout, and boom, we have the Counter-Strike logo here. I think we can add it here. Alright, so this section is already added. Now I told you this section and this section we already have it, so let me just drag and drop that section. Boom, we are done with that. And now for the FAQ, so let me do the FAQ, take the FAQ and place it over here. For some reason I don't know why it's not letting me take the content from there, but I will just place it over here and like this. Okay, so once I see this blue line, I will place it over there. Okay, so this is now the FAQs, and let's see if we have the FAQs. So if you remember, we changed the text and our third home page, right? So I will just copy the property from here, and I will go back to component, to workspace, and paste it over here. So now we have, all right, so let me see, how do I have multiple account? So for this one the FAQs are different, so I will just copy this text and paste it here. Okay, and I will remove this. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so it should be 8. all right, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 5. Okay, now it's 8, but I will increase the size a little bit, so make sure we match that. Okay, now copy this text here, paste it here, copy the text from here, paste it here, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy and paste, and lastly copy this and paste it here. All right, so again it didn't take a lot of time, and now let's do this one. So rent your Counter-Strike 2 server today. So here is again another CTA with a bunch of text. So what do you think, should I include it or not? Should I include that or not? Okay, if we want to include it, I will then use this card. All right, and instead of the primary color, we will make it completely black. All right, sorry, black, yes, and then the black should be white. Oops, we need the text should be, this should be white. All right, boom. For now, let's get rid of the logo. We can definitely place it later as well. And this one should be our primary color, so let's make it our primary. Perfect. Now let's implement those details. So copy the text. Again, I will speed up it, so nothing to worry about this. I'm just copying and paste the text, okay? So copy the text, paste it here, copy, paste it here, copy, paste it here. So 1 2 3. Now it's time to do the 4 1. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then we have 5 1. Then we have the 6 1. And here is the last one. And for this one, I think let's get rid of this. All right, we don't need the image here. And for this one, I think left align is fine. I will make it left align, and these details should be file container. All right, and this should be, these are already file container, but I need to make this perfect. Okay, so for this, first person, this one should be also, and September is fine. All right, now let's try to do this one as well. Let's do this one as well. All right. So over here it's you know, like the developer add breaks, right? So break line, so that's why we need to work on this content. Okay, so far so good. And for the button, I will make it to the right, so I will add this button to the right. Okay, select both of those, and it should be horizontal line. Perfect. And this one should be learn more about Counter-Strike. So still have a question, I think this is perfect, and learn more about Counter-Strike 2. So learn more about Counter-Strike 2. All right, so far so good. We are done with this section, and for this one we will include our this CTA. All right, so let's include this one, and ready to launch your server, we also needed CTA over here. So for this one, let me just include the CTA. I think let's try this black one. So copy this and paste it here. Okay, I will just remove the discord for now, and for this one I will take it to the top. Okay, or maybe I will do it like this, and it should be also taken to the right. All right, and lastly we need to add the footer. Over here we don't need the subtext, so I just get rid of it. And lastly we need to add the footer. So we are done with this page, the product page. And to cover the about us page, I really need a short break. Again, mine is not working, so let me just take a short break, and then I'll come back and do the final screen, so we will round up this project. Okay, thank you.